in a Windows 2016 server environment. In this lecture, I'm going to walk you step by step through a Windows DNS role installation. Before you begin this lecture, you will need access to a Windows server, preferably with 2016 already installed. Under the resources of this lecture, you will find links to download Windows Server and VirtualBox if you need to set up a home lab. DNS defined. Domain Name System, or DNS, provides a standard method for associating names with numeric Internet addresses. This makes it possible for users to refer to network computers by using easy-to-remember names instead of a long series of numbers. In addition, DNS provides a hierarchical namespace, ensuring that each host name will be unique across a local or wide area network. Windows DNS services can be integrated with Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP services on Windows, eliminating the need to add DNS records as computers are added to the network. The best practices in a production environment are: the administrator account has a strong password. The most current security updates from Windows should be installed. It is recommended to install DNS first, then Active Directory. Server network cards should be configured with a static IP address. To configure a static IP address on the server's network interface card, open Server Manager, which opens by default, or click the Windows Start key, then select Server Manager. In the left-hand panel, click Local Server. In the right-hand panel, double-click the Ethernet card that will be configured. Click Properties, then highlight Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP v4, then select Properties. After configuration, the Properties screen should look similar to this screen. The server's IP address is 192.168.0.10. .10, the last octet, is the address of the host, which is your computer. The subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 is a standard subnet mask for a Class C network. The default gateway is your router's IP address. I use the server's own IP address for the preferred DNS address, and normally I set the alternate DNS server address to another domain controller. In this case, I set the IP address to Google's DNS server. The preferred DNS server is the device's first choice when making DNS requests. Alternate servers are only used when the primary DNS server does not respond. The main benefit for two DNS servers is that if one DNS server has failed, this does not prevent users from accessing web pages. It allows devices to continue resolving addresses even if the primary server is down. The following pages contain a step-by-step instruction on how to install the Windows DNS role. Step 1. Open Server Manager. Select Add Roles and Features. Step 2. Next are the prerequisites for the role installation, which have already been discussed. Press Next. Step 3. Select Installation Type. Select Role-Based, and then press Next. Step 4. Select a destination server, then press Next. Step 5. Select Server Roles. Select the DNS server role. Step 6. Add Roles and Features wizard. By default, this will install the administration tools such as DNS Manager, various tools to configure Active Directory, group policy administration, and more. Select Add Features. Press Next. Then press Next. View DNS additional information, then select Next. Step 8. Confirm installation selections. This screen displays the roles that have been selected and will be installed. Click Install. Step 9. Installation of the DNS role is complete. Select Close. Step 10. From the Server Manager, the DNS role is now displayed in the left panel. Step 11. From Server Manager, select Tools. Click DNS. The DNS Manager is displayed. The server role is now up and ready to be configured. This concludes the Windows 2016 DNS Server Role installation. Good job, and we'll see you on the next lecture.